Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have got a really cute craft that we're going to be making using 4 different coloured washcloths and 5 clear elastic bands. First thing we're going to do is take our washcloths and we are going to fold them in half and fold the other side in half and then fold them in half again. Then we need to roll them up so it's formed a nice neat roll. Taking one of the clear elastic bands, we're just going to secure it around the middle. We're now going to repeat that with our other 2 washcloths. Once we've got 3 bundles, we're going to take the remaining washcloth. For this craft, it doesn't matter what colour washcloths you have and which colour washcloth you leave to the end. It is totally your choice. So now we're just going to fold this one over slightly at both sides, and we are going to position our rolled washcloths in the middle. Then we're slowly going to raise up either side of the washcloth and we are going to secure the end with the remaining clear elastic bands, and we're going to repeat that on the other side. And there we have our cute peas in a pod washcloth set. This is a great way of making some basic washcloths look really cute. You could add some decorative ribbon to the edge if you wanted to. This will make a great gift for baby shower, for a new mum, Christmas or birthdays. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.